So this pattern calls for a multiple of 10 plus 4. So that means that you will chain up 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 until you reach the desired width, and then you would just add 4 chains. So for the foundation row, it says that you will we'll do a double crochet in the 9th chain from the hook, which I already did. And then you're going to add in that same chain 6 more double crochets for a total of 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is what the pattern looks like. Okay, so next you will chain 1. You're going to skip 4 chains. So let me see, it's 1, 2, 3. And that's 4 chains. And then in the 5th chain, you're going to do a double crochet, just 1 double crochet. Oh, goodness gracious. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, then you're going to chain 1. And you're just going to skip another 4 chains. In the 5th, you're going to do another set of 7 double crochets. Oh, goodness, where is my, let me see. It was just getting a little warm in here, so I just turned on the ceiling fan. Okay. So back to this, so 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 1, then count another 4 chains. And in the 5th, you're going to do another double crochet. Chain 1, count another 4 chains. In the 5th chain right here, you're going to do another set of your 7 double crochets. And that's the pattern for the foundation row. So I'm going to continue, and then I'll meet you at the end, because obviously I can't crochet well fast enough. Let me see. Okay, so at the end, you should have your last set of 7 double crochets. You should have 5 chains left. So in the very last one, well, you're going to chain 1, and in the very last chain, you're just going to do 1 double crochet. And that's what it looks like for your foundation row. So now row number 2. So it's going to chain up 4, which counts as a double crochet, and a chain 1. In this very same space right here, you're going to do a double crochet. You're going to chain 1, and then you're going to skip these first 2 double crochets. You're going to do a double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. This. Chain 1, and then you're going to jump to this double crochet right here, and you're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, and then another double crochet in that same double crochet. This. Chain 1, skip the 2 double crochets, the next 2 double crochets, then you're going to double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1, jump to this double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet back into the same space. And that is your pattern for row number 2. Oh God, It's the crochet hook and it's the yarn that makes the noise, because it doesn't make this noise with all of the yarn. Just kind of, this yarn is kind of a little stiff. If you're wondering, it's the Karen 1 pound, the white color. It's just, I don't know why it's doing this, but anyway. Okay. So here I am at the last set of double crochets. You're going to chain 1, and then you're going to look more or less right here on the top of the chain 3, I guess. It's not perfect, but as long as it's straight, it should be good. So you're going to do a double crochet. You're going to chain 1 and do another double crochet in that same space or chain. Like that. Okay, so for row 3, I'm going to chain up 3. This counts as a double crochet. And then in this first space right here, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Okay. You're going to chain 1, and then in the middle of this set of double crochets, you're just going to do a double crochet, which that wasn't a double crochet. Let's see here. Chain 1, and then in this space, this chain 3 space, you're going to do 7 double crochets. Four, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 1. Go to the middle double crochet, chain 1, and then do your 7 double crochets. So then again, 7 double crochets, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 7 double crochets, and I'll meet you at the end. So you will do your last set of 7 double crochets, chain 1, your double crochet in the middle of this set of double crochets, then chain 1. And you're going to skip here to this chain 1 space right here, and you're going to crochet 3. We're going to do 3 double crochets, and then another double crochet on the top of the chain 3. So that way it's nice and straight. And that is your row number 3. So row number 4, chain 3. And in this next double crochet right here, not in the here, but the next one, you're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and then on this double crochet, you're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet in that same double crochet. I guess you would call it a V-stitch. Although V-stitch is, I think, a double crochet, chain 1, but still it's a little V-stitch. Chain 1, skip 2 double crochets, the next 2 double crochets, and do 1, 2, and then 3 double crochets. Chain 1 to the next double crochet and do your V-stitch, just to call it something. Chain 1, double crochet, skip the 2 double crochets, then do 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and again do your double crochet, chain 3, and then your double crochet. Chain 1, skip the first 2, double crochet, and then your 3 double crochets. So that's pretty simple for row number 4. And again here, chain 1. So what you're going to do is skip these first 2 double crochets, and you're going to double crochet in this last one right here. And then you're going to double crochet on top of the chain 3 space. Chain 3. On chain 3. And that's it for row number 4. So row number 5, you're going to chain up 4, which counts as your double crochet, chain 1. We're going to jump to this space right here, and then you're going to do your 7 double crochets. Chain 1, do your double crochet in the middle of the set of 3 double crochets. Okay, chain 1, do your next set of double crochets, of 7 double crochets. And 3, chain 1, double crochet in the middle of this one, and then again. So that is your row number 5. I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so this is what you'll this is the last set of 7 double crochets. So you're going to chain 1, and you're going to jump to this chain 3 and do a double crochet. And that's it. So the repeat rows are from 2 to 5. And so this is what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and start you on row 2, and then you can continue the pattern. So row 2, it says to chain up 4, which is your double crochet, chain 1. You're going to go right into this first space right here to do a double crochet. Chain 1, skip these 2, and then do your 3 double crochets on top of the 3 crochets. 3 double crochets on top of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1, go in here, next double crochet, chain, do your V-stitch, chain 1, your next 3 double crochets on top. It's pretty simple. You get the hang of it. You just need to, I need to just make sure that I start out the rows correctly, so. But other than that, if you have good memory, then you won't need to write down or to jot down what row you are on. I don't. I crochet while I watch shows and stuff like that, so I just need to remind myself. I need to look at the pattern and just see where I am. So yeah. Again, this is, I think I did 4, and I did the 3. And again, your chain 1, do your other set of 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and then you're going to, what is it? Oh, you're going to do a double crochet on the chain, not in the space. You're going to actually do it in the chain. Just reminder, you're going to chain 1 and do another one right there. And that's it for row number 2. And that's it. That's the pattern. You would end in row number 5. it's just, and yeah, so you would end on the row number 5, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.